This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Therese DeLuca. Lely Resort Players Club and Spa Access. Enjoy the best of Naples resort living. This beautifully renovated 3-bedroom, 2-bath attached villa offers an inviting open floor plan with vaulted ceilings, a private heated saltwater pool, and a 2-car garage, creating the perfect home base for your Florida getaway. Thoughtfully designed for comfort, the villa features king beds in the primary and second bedrooms, plus a queen bed in the third bedroom. Step outside to the south-facing lanai, where tranquil lake views and a sparkling pool set the scene for effortless relaxation. After a day in the sun, refresh in the outdoor shower and get ready to enjoy all that Lely Resort has to offer. At the celebrated Players Club and Spa, members can take advantage of resort-style, lap, and kiddie pools, dine at the award-winning restaurant or casual Tiki Bar and Grill, stay active in the expansive fitness center, indulge at the spa, and enjoy a vibrant calendar of social events and daily activities. Ideally located just 7 miles from downtown Naples and the beach, this villa places you close to world-class dining, shopping, entertainment, and the Gulf Coast lifestyle Naples is known for. For more information, review the details below.